I welcome you all the students in the lecture series of Digital Electronics, Digital Fundamental. As we started to understood how the Carnot may be useful to simplify the Boolean function, as we know that the complexities arise at that time. To simplify any digital function, a Boolean variable theorems and postulates are not that much effective as the tabular or cell method which is used in Carnot map. And we also discussed three variable and two variable K-map and different examples how to we can minimize the function size or simplify the Boolean function using K-map. Today we will discuss the five variable K-map. As we know that the five variable, so 2 raised to 5, a total 32 combinations are there. We know that this four variable K-map W, X, Y, Z, four variables, so 2 raised to 4, 16s are there. Now, I want to expand or extend this K-map, Carnot map for five variable. What I will do, I will put here one mirror and take a mirror image. This is my combination. Now, the same 16 will be replicated at mirror side. But the first row is the combination of last row. Second row is the second last row. Third row is a third last row. And fourth row is similar like as the first row as the mirror image, like in this way. So this will be represented by 1 0. The second column is represented by 1 1. Third column is represented by 0 1, and last column is represented by 0 0. While the row is remain same, the variable row. So now here the row 4, so all four row is represent two variable, but the now column is doubled. So that means there is required to one another add a function here. Okay, in column side. And functions like is that the first four combinations column represented by variable 0 and the last four combination is represented by 1. So it will become 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fifth variable is that. So here my all the left hand side element or most significant bit will become 0 0 0 and 0, while in last four column the most significant third bit is 1, like in this way. So this is my five variable K-map. Total 32 min terms are there. M0, M1, M2, M3 similar, but now M4 is 0 0 1 0 0, this one 5 0 0 1 0 1 M5, M6 0 0 1 1 0, so this will become M6, and 0 0 1 1 M7. The value of this cell is start from here 0 0, the M7, now it will become 1 1 1, so M7 is there. M8, M9, M10, M11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, you always remember that thing. We are following the gray code. 0 0 0, only one bit can be allowed. So start from the LSB side. 0 0 1. Now, I cannot be change 2 bit at a time. So what I will do, if 1 is replaced by 0, it already repeated. So it's not allowed. So what I will do, I will go for the next MSB side, left hand side. So it will become 0 1 1 as we already discussed in the gray code and reflected code method. Next will become zeros 1 1. Again, if I replace this bit 0, so it is first time is occurs, so 0 1 0. After 0 1 0, the next is this bit can be changed 1 1 0. After 1 1 0, only one bit is changed 1 1 1. 1 1 1, the next the MSB will be gen 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 1 0 0. So this is the 3 bits gray code sequence is that, where only one bit can change to increment or decrement functionality. M16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 midterms, midterms 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. First 16 cell is represent A equal to 0, so A dash. Last 16 cell, last two row is represented by A. If all minterms are represented here from last two row, we can say the function is A itself directly. First four column whole elements are represented by C dash because the C is 0, and this last all columns, four columns represent C is equal to 1, so C. Middle two row is represented by B, while the upper and last row is represented by A dash. Middle four cell, the 2 is left from here, 2 is left from here. So at the middle, four cells represented by D. So this first and second column, seventh and eighth column represented by D dash. Remember that thing. Second and third column plus sixth and seventh column is represented by E, while first column, fourth column, fifth column, and eighth column is represented by E dash. So remember that thing, all 32 minterms represent 1, 16 minterms adjacent cell represent one variable, 8 represent adjacent cell 2 variable, 4 adjacent cell represent 3 variable, 2 adjacent cell represent 4 variable, while 1 cell is represent 5 variable. Let's take one example. Suppose the function is given minterms 0 to 4, 6, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 21, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Sometimes if variables are not given, then what are the maximum value of these? It will become 2 raised to n minus 1. So that means n is equal to number of variable 2 raised to 5 minus 1, 32 minus 31. So 31 is the maximum value of minterms. So 5 variable is required. Let's start with this thing. Here in very bright area, the minterms are also represented, which you can easily show. So let's put one by one minterms: M0, M2, M4, M6, M9, M11, M13, M15, M17, M21, M25, M27, M29, and M31. So here we found that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 14 minterms are present in given function f. Here, first we try here. Is it possible that all 16 or 32 combinations are there? No. 32 adjacent cells are not physically here, but we can see that 8 can be possible. These 4 and these 4. Which thing is common? B. And see here, this E. So this 4 is represented by E as well as E. So this 8 variable, the common thing is that this middle two rows represented by B, and middle two cell in both the quadrant is represented by E. So 8 minterms adjacent cell combination is possible, and it is indicated the literals are BE. Now these 4 and here these 2. How is it possible that another 8 combinations or 4 combination? So 8 combinations still not possible, so we can go for the 4 combination, this 2 and this 2, like is in upper combination, yellow one combination. Here which thing is common? One, it is middle two row. So middle two row is represented by A. Now this column and this column, the common thing is E, as well as in this column the value of C is 1 and D is 0. Here 0, 0, so D is common, and the value of D is 0, here also 0. So it will become D dash. So it is indicated that A, E and outer side of D dash. So for minterms represent a three variable functions literals A, D dash, E. Now this all four. It is common thing is that AB value is 0, 0. See, AB is 0, 0 for 4 combination. C is equal to 0, C is equal to 0, C is equal to 1 and 1. So it is not common. D is equal to 0, D equal to 1. Now it's not possibility. E. E is 0 here, E is 0 here, E is 0 here, and E is 0 here. So third, E equal to 0 in this all four combination. So it will become A0, B0, E0. So it will become A dash, B dash, E dash. Here if the function is E dash. Misprinted is that. So I'm sorry for that thing, but please consider it is A dash, B dash, E dash. So final result is BE plus A D dash E plus A B dash E dash. E dash is here, it is misprinted. Okay, in this way we can find out the simplification of this function. Now, suppose the function is given. In the previous case, minterms are considered, but suppose the function is given, and how can simplify it? So first we have to draw the K-map. Total 32 minterms, 0 to 31. So remember that thing. We have to take one by one literals. Like as yellow one is the first literal, we will take one by one literals and put the minterms here. After completing function, we will make the another steps is that making the adjacent cell group such a way that minimum literals and all the minterms will be covered. So first we will start with the B, D, E. B is the middle two row. Okay. D is the middle four column. This one. So which common? This 4 cell and this 4 cell. It is common. BD. Now E. E is this one. This 2 cell and this 2 cell. So for these three combinations, the common is these two, M11, M27 and M15 and M31. This graphical representation is given for this function is by, because you can easily understood that things, how we can get the four minterms. B, D, E, three variable represented by four minterms. B, D, if there is only two function B and D, so it will become 8. B, it will be represented by 16 minterms, 16 cells. So this will become, these four cells are there, where B yellow rectangular, D this green rectangular look like is a square, green square, and E is the red one rectangular. All these rectangular, the common is M11, M27, M15, and 31. So in this way, we found that these four minterms is a part of this function f. Okay, like in this way. Now we will take the second one, B dash. B dash means first row and last row. Okay, 16 boxes are there, 16 cells are there. C dash is this one. So we now we think is common? Only this 4 cell and this 4 cell, which represent B dash, C dash. Last row 4 cell, first 4 cell, first row 4 cell. Now D. So D, that means these two, M3, M2, M18, M19, because this cell will be removed, it is a D dash. These two cell remove because it is a D dash, and we need B dash, C dash, D. So M2, M3, M19 and M18, which is represent B dash first and last row, C dash this whole quadrant, and D this middle one. So common for this all three combination M2, M3, M18 and M19. Now let's see CDE. C is the this fourth column. D is the middle column. So CD means this column fifth column and sixth column. It is indicated by C, D. Now E. E is this one column. So whole sixth column is represented by C, D, E because C is 1, D is 1, E is 1. Okay, in this way also can you identify the common thing C1, D1, E1. So all four cell, the sixth column is represented by C, D, E. Okay, so let's we put the four midterms are included. Now next is A dash, B dash, C, E. How many variables are there? Four. Our function is a five variable. One cell is represented by five variable. So two adjacent cell represent the four variable literals. Here it is A dash. A dash is first two row. Now B dash. B dash is only first row. So A dash B dash is 0 0. For this row is represented by A dash B dash. Now C. C is represented by this four cell only. I hope is it making sense to everybody's A dash B dash C is this this one where the mouse is moving. This four cell is represented by A dash B dash C and E is only represented by these two cell M5 and M7 where value of A is 0 A dash, B is 0 B dash, C is equal to 1. Forget about the D and E is equal to 1. So these two cell is represent A dash B dash C E. Okay, very good. Let's include these min terms are also. Now the third next function is A dash, B dash, C. A dash again, A dash is represented by the first two row and B dash is represented by only first row. Okay, common thing is that A dash, B dash both are 0 0 and C that means this all four cell 1, 2, 3, 4. Four cell is represented by third function A dash, B dash, C. This four cell. So let's include in our functionality. Next, four variables are there in this literals. B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash means B equal to 0, C equal to 0, D equal to 0, and E equal to 0. So B equal to 0 is possible only first row and last row. Very good. C is equal to 0 is this four cell first row and last row four cell first four cell of first row and last row. This is removed from the our function b dash c dash b dash c dash this four cell and last four cell. D dash is b dash c dash d dash is b0 c0 d0. So m0 m1 m16 m17 and e dash is only this function common b c d e 3 and 4 0. So m0 and m16 only two functionalities. So here we got total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 minterms are there. Now we have to minimize it, our functional boolean function. So first we see, is it possible all 16 min adjacent cells combination? No, one is left here, otherwise it might be possible. Also here there is some all many are missing. So 16 cells not make a one group or adjacent 16 variables 16 cells are not a one functional or variable thing is that. Now 8 combination, yes 8 combination is possible, this one the third row and sixth row. And if common thing is that the value of D, the A is vary, B is vary. C is 0, 1. So C is not function. D1, E1, D1, E1, both are. DE equal to 1, 1. So this 8 minterms make a one bunch of DE. Now here the trick is come there. Is there any possibility that we make another 4 bunch or 8 bunch? Let's see. No, it's not possible. But only 4 bunch is possible. Which one? Corner. Many students make a group of these two. Forget about that thing. Try to cover the unused or which are not in the first previous pair. So this corner, 4 corner represent by b equal to 0, c equal to 0, and e equal to 0. So b dash, c dash, e dash. This green combinations are shown there. Now, how many remaining is that? 1, 2, and 3. So 4 combination. If I make the combination of these 4, again the 2's are missing. Try to cover all remaining min terms. So here, if I take this last 4 cell, so every min terms will be covered. Then I got only 1, 2, and third function, and it is look like as in there, where the value of AB is 0, 0, and C is equal to 1. So A dash, B dash, C. And in these 3 literals, every min terms are covered. And this is the real knowledge about the digital logic circuit, is that logically you must be such a way that the functionality never change, and minimum logic we can satisfy the same function here. So finally we obtain result is equal to f equal to de plus function is equal to de plus a dash b dash c plus b dash c dash e dash. So only few elements can satisfy the given Boolean function. 6 variable came up. It will double min terms compared to 5, it will become 64. And remember that thing, as the min terms are increased, the adjacent cell patterns will be complicated. To find out the how many combination and how many literals can be in a term variable mapping, it will become very difficult because 64 cells are there. So there is a number of combinations are possible, and it will be require a sharp knowledge about the how to make the logically group of variables mapping using these 64 cells. And normally the advisable is there, use the tabulation method, which we'll discuss in later on into the next sessions. The one another method is that when the number of variables are increased, at that time this Carnot method is not advisable. So in this lecture, we discuss 5 variable and 6 variable KMF, and how we can minimize the Boolean function of 5 variable with the help of Carnot method. Have a good day.